Mangur Hill declared as containment zone on 1st June 2020 as two of the residents staying at Mangur Hill were reported confirmed positive of COVID-19 infection. Goa Health Secretary Nila Mohanan informed media about the same on 1st June 2020.
These are two residents of members of a family from Mangur Hills in Vasco. They have tested confirmed positive in our RT-PCR test as well. So we are now doing very concentrated contact tracing, and we are taking all efforts to see what are the links and what are the possible contacts. That is being done by the health department. Parallelly, because Mangur Hills is a very tightly packed, compact area, we have also taken the decision to declare Mangur Hills in Vasco as a containment zone. So we will be ensuring that we do comprehensive testing of the people who are residents of Mangur Hills, and we want to ensure that we do that very comprehensively, putting in all our efforts. That is why we have decided to declare Mangur Hills in Vasco, South Goa district as a containment zone. We are making this entire containment zone into particular perimeter. So we will have immediate to their place of residence, the most extensive and immediate testing. Then slowly we will be expanding that circle outwards. So our target is to test as quickly as possible, as many people as are possible in that containment zone. But of course, our primary focus will be the immediate vicinity of the place where these two family members, this particular family resides. We are doing our proper investigation and checking and contact tracing. So as of now, I will not be in a position to comment about anything else. Our inquiries are on. We are trying to do the most comprehensive contact tracing. Our investigations are going on. As I said, we are still trying to do the contact tracing. But as of now, we have not been able to establish a clear travel history link. But it is going on. Our inquiries are going on. It's a family, so we have to check each person's history. So that process is going on even as we speak. Yes, we have decided to declare Mangur Hills as a containment zone because it's a very compact, tightly packed area. So we want to ensure that we do our proper contact tracing and testing for the residents of that locality. And naturally, we also want to ensure that there is no risk for people outside. So that's why Mangur Hills being a very compact, tightly packed area, we have decided to have it as our containment zone. We are, as I mentioned to you, we are still doing that contact tracing. We are tracking their history. All of that is still going on. So it would be very premature at this stage. And as I already explained in one of the earlier PCs, the very first one, there are 3 steps. Local transmission is one step that we often forget about before community transmission. So it is too early to comment on that. We have to do our proper contact tracing. We have to see the history of each of the family members. Only then we will be able to say conclusively about that.
Health Minister Vishwajit Rane on 2nd June 2020 informed people of Goa about the extensive testing conducted at Mangur Hill to check for community transmission of COVID-19. Here's what Goa Health Minister Vishwajit Rane posted. We are ensuring strict control measures and are vigilant about maintaining stringent testing to tackle further community spread. Our government, under the guidance of Honorable CM Dr. Pramod Sawant, is working persistently towards flattening the curve through extensive levels of contact tracing and social assistance. I request all my fellow citizens to take mandated precautions, including wearing a mask and maintaining social distance in public places. Let's unitedly win this war against COVID-19 yet again. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and never miss any update.